Welcome everyone. Today I will be taking excretion from class 10 CBSE. So what is excretion? Excretion is the process of removal of waste products from the body. That is known as excretion. Removal of waste products, जो waste products हमारे body के अंदर है उसका निकलना, that is known as excretion. So excretion takes place in plants and animals as well. So excretion in plants, that is carbon dioxide and water vapor by the process of respiration and oxygen by the process of photosynthesis. And this excretory products, that is carbon dioxide and water vapor, it comes out from the stomata. So stomata we have already done in plants, that stomata helps in diffusion of gases. So by the stomata, carbon dioxide and water vapor comes out. Same by the photosynthesis also, oxygen comes out through stomata. In other animals, if you see amoeba, excretory organ is what? Cell membrane. From the cell membrane, the waste products, it comes out. Same in earthworm, if you see, earthworm excretory organ is nephridia and moist skin. These are the excretory organs in amoeba and earthworm. The excretory product, the waste products, it comes out amoeba के अंदर सेल मेम्ब्रेन के थ्रू और earthworm के अंदर नेफ्रिडिया एंड मॉइस्ट स्किन के थ्रू. प्लांट्स के अंदर कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, वाटर वेपर, रेस्पिरेशन जब होता है तब कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड वाटर वेपर बाहर निकलता है और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड वाटर वेपर जो कि वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट्स है प्लांट्स के अंदर, सो रेस्पिरेशन के थ्रू बाहर निकलता है और ऑक्सीजन जो है वो फोटोसिंथेसिस प्रोसेस से बाहर निकलता है. क्लियर? सो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, that is, always remember, during respiration the waste product is carbon dioxide and water. Don't write during photosynthesis, because in photosynthesis carbon dioxide is used for the process of photosynthesis. Next हम पढ़ेंगे excretion in excretory system in human beings. Now come to human excretory system. In human excretory system, a pair of kidneys present on each side of abdomen, and if you stand like this side is right and this one is left. So this is left kidney and this one is right kidney. Okay, so there is a pair of kidneys, right kidney and left kidney, and these are bean-shaped structure. You can see here, these are curved, bean-shaped structure. If you see the structure of kidney is like this. This is bean-shaped. The outer part is known as cortex and inner part is known as medulla. Clear? And this is the pelvis part. This part, this curved part is known as pelvis. Inside the kidney, number of nephrons are present. Nephrons, if you see the nephrons are, number of nephrons are present here. This is the structure of nephron. The structure of nephron, and this nephron, the collecting duct, through collecting duct, then the urine enters here in the pelvis region, and from the pelvis to the, like this, if you see the structure, it is like this. So here the renal artery, you can see here the renal artery, this is the renal artery is connected here. Same here, if you see the renal vein, it is also connected to the renal vein. This is renal artery entering into the nephron, and this is renal vein which comes out of the nephron. Now, if you see the structure, the cortex part is the outer part and it is darker in color because of the presence of nephron. These are what? This complete part, this is known as nephron. And this nephron is the functional and structural unit of kidney. Nephron is the structural and the functional unit of kidney. Now, one is renal artery, another one is renal vein. Renal artery carries oxygenated blood to the kidneys. ये आप देख सकते हैं, एरो से देखेंगे आप. रीनल आर्टरी जब एरो किडनी की तरफ जाएगा तो रीनल आर्टरी हुआ. रीनल आर्टरी अओर्टा का ब्रांच है, ठीक है. सो रीनल आर्टरी इट कैरीज ब्लड टू द किडनीज. रीनल वेन क्या करता है? इट कैरीज ब्लड अवे फ्रॉम द किडनी. ये आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे, ये अवे फ्रॉम द किडनी. So renal artery and renal vein. Now these two kidneys are attached with a long tube-like structure which is known as ureter. इसको क्या कहते हैं? Ureter. What is the function of ureter? The function of ureter is only it carries urine from kidney to bladder. This is a hollow muscular structure which is known as urinary bladder. This is a hollow muscular structure known as urinary bladder. And this bladder, ये क्या करता है? यूरिन को स्टोर करके रखता है temporarily, not permanently, temporarily. Temporarily it stores urine. And the last small passage which passes urine, that is known as urethra. The size of urethra varies in males and females. In females, the size of urethra is small. ठीक है. फीमेल के अंदर यूरेथ्रा का साइज छोटा होता है और मेल के अंदर यूरेथ्रा का साइज बड़ा होता है. ठीक है. सो द यूरिन पासेस थ्रू दिस यूरेथ्रा. क्लियर? सो दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर एक्सक्रेटरी सिस्टम ऑफ ह्यूमन. Once again I am explaining, there is a pair of kidneys present on either side of the abdomen. So right kidney and left kidney. Right kidney is slightly lower then the left kidney because of the presence of liver. जैसे हमने lungs में पढ़ा है, the left lung is too low because of the presence of heart, because heart is slightly tilted towards the left. So same here, right kidney is slightly lower, you can see here in the diagram, because of the presence of liver. Now renal artery and renal vein. Renal artery carries blood to the kidneys and renal vein carries blood away from the kidney. Now, the structure of kidney, if you see, it is cortex and medulla. Cortex is the outer part which is dark in color because of the presence of nephrons. There are millions of nephrons present in the cortex part, and these nephrons are the structural and functional unit of kidney. Next, this ureter is a long tube-like structure which carries urine from kidney to bladder. Bladder is a muscular organ which stores urine temporarily. Now this urine, it then comes out through a passage known as urethra. It's a small passage. So in female, the urethra is short, is small in size, whereas in male it is longer than the female.